Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a restraining order against someone. First, it's crucial to understand the different types of protection orders, such as domestic violence, civil harassment, or elder abuse. Each type has specific criteria you must meet. Next, gather all relevant evidence, including police reports, text messages, emails, and witness statements. This documentation is vital for your case. Finally, identify the appropriate court, usually a superior court, in your jurisdiction to file your petition. Once you have your evidence, you'll need to complete the necessary court forms. These forms typically include a petition and an application for a temporary restraining order. Be sure to fill them out completely and truthfully. After completing the forms, file them with the court clerk. There may be a filing fee, but you can often request a fee waiver if you qualify. Then, arrange for the other party to be legally served with the filed documents. After filing and serving, you must attend your scheduled court hearing. This is your opportunity to present your case to the judge. Bring all your evidence and be prepared to testify about the incidents that led you to seek protection. Speak clearly and calmly, and answer all questions the judge may have. The judge will listen to both sides before making a decision regarding your request for a permanent order. If the judge grants your request, you will receive a permanent restraining order. This order will outline specific protections, such as no contact or stay-away distances, often 50 to 100 yards. Understand its terms and duration, which can be up to 5 years. Keep a copy with you and inform local law enforcement. If the order is violated, immediately contact the police for enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.